Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Vitur Mane from Shared Institute of Technology College of Engineering. Today, we are going to see about the experiment number 8 that is related for classes and object. Software requirement of this Python 3.6. First, we will see the definition of Python classes and object. Python is a object-oriented programming language. Almost everything in Python is an object with its property and methods. A class, like an object constructor or blueprint for creating an object. In this, Python is an object-oriented programming language, unlike a procedure-oriented programming where the main emphasis is on function. Object-oriented programming stresses on object. An object is simply a collection of data or called as a variable that method here called as a function that acts on those data. Similarly, class is a blueprint for object. We can think of a class as a sketch, that is prototype of a house. It contains all the details about the floors, doors, windows, etc. Based on these descriptions, we build the house. House is the object. As many houses can be made from a house blueprint, we can create many objects from class. An object is also called an instance of a class, and process of creating this object is called a instantaneous. Now, here we will see the first step by step how to create first class. Okay, in this case, create a class. To create, use keyword of class colon. Using of this keyword class colon, you can create any class in Python. Just like see the examples. Create a class name my class with property name X. Here we can create one class, that is name of that class assigned, that is a my class, with the property of that name of particular X in class my class. That means simply using that keyword class you define firstly, and we can create that my class. After that, x equal to 5, one property name assigned, that is x, and that x assign a value assigned equal to 5. Then suppose we execute for this particular, that is x equal to 5, output display such step of a message, that is a Python demo class 1.py, that is a main class we need to be defined. This is the output of these two lines, class my class x equal to 5. We will see in experimentally later. First see the theoretical part. Then next step, that is a creating class. Next step, that is a create object. Now we can use the class name my class to create a object. Example of this creating object: create an object name p1 and print the value of x. p1 equal to my class, print p1 dot x. That means you can define that particular value of object created on object p1 and value define of x. That means output define, that is a display as output, that is a your 5. Next task for this object and classes, the initialize function using of keyword init, that is initialize. The example above are classes and object in their simplest form and are not really useful in real life applications. To understand the meaning of classes, we have to understand the built-in init function, that is the initialization of that particular function. All classes have a function called init, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. Use the init function to assign values to object property or other operations that are necessary to do when the object is being created. For example, suppose first we have created a class, after that we have created for the object, after that we create initialize that particular functions. Now example see here, create a class name person. We create one class, that is name assigned for that class is person. Use the init function, that is initialization, to assign a value for name and age. Now see here in this example, we create one class person, then define using def keyword, initialize that function def underscore init underscore in bracket cell. first we need to define that particular function as a cell, or that is a cell, then comma name and age. Name and age, that is a assign value of that particular initialized function. Now call that particular function cell dot name equal to name and cell dot age equal to age. That means P1, whatever value you assign P1, that P1 equal to person, value assigned particular, name of that particular John, and age assigned for that particular, that is a 36. Now if you want to print that particular message, that is a print P1 dot name and print P1 dot age, output will be display as a, that is a name as a display as a John and age display as a 36. Okay, now we will define the methods, object methods. Object can also contain a methods. Methods in an object are function that belongs to the object. Let's create a methods in the person class. Okay, here we will see about the how to create a methods in a particular class. Now see the examples. Insert a function that prints a greeting and execute it on the P1 object. Now see here, class person, we define same class, that is a person, and define initialized value cell comma name comma age. Then cell dot name equal to name and cell dot age equal to age. Tf my function cell colon print hello my name is plus cell dot name. Whatever you are defining function, automatically that print the message hello my name is whatever your name assigned. Then P1 equal to assigning values person John age 36 P1 dot my functions. Then that is the output display hello my name is a John. Note that cell parameter is a reference to a class itself and is used to access variable that belongs to the class. Now see the what is cell parameter. You are defining cell parameter here. Now see the what is a cell parameters. In this cell parameter is a reference to a class itself and is used to access variable that belongs to the class. It does not have to be name cell. You can call it whatever you like, but it has to be first parameter of any function in the class. For example of that, use the word myCD object and ABC instead of cell. Suppose we define that class person colon define initialize that particular function myCD object comma name and age. What we have to define here, instead of cell function we can define myCD object name of that particular cell function. That means myCD object dot name equal to name name and myCD object dot age equal to age. Finally define all that particular function parameter values. Define my function value, define that particular parameter, that is ABC. Print hello my name is plus ABC dot name. Then finally call that particular value P1, one object created you have P1, that P1 assign that particular value person in bracket John comma 36. Finally output, that is a P1 dot my function, output is a hello my name is a John. These are the defining a cell parameter. After that you can modify your object also. That means suppose you have defined one object and you want to modify your object, you can modify also. You can using this property modify object property. Example, set the age of P1 to 40. That means whatever your object defining P1, you assigning age value, that is a 40. Okay, that means earlier assigned value, that is a 36. You want to change that value 36 instead of 36 to 40. Now simply mention set the age of P1 to 40. Now P1 dot age equal to 40, output display as a 40. In this modification you can also delete the object property also, simply using keyword, that is a del. You can delete property and object by using the del keyword. Example, delete age property from the P1 object, del P1 dot age. Simply using that keyword del, whatever the property you want to delete, simply mention here what your object name and the property. Your object name, that is your P1, and your value of that is a age. Simply del P1 dot age you mention, automatically that particular is display. Here output as a display. Now delete object, You can delete the object by using del keyword, delete the p1 object del p1. Okay, here why two error to display? Because of in this object you can define particular property. If property any defined for that particular object, you cannot delete that particular object. That is error display. Now you can delete directly for object. That means delete the object del p1 output display is. That means name error to display as a p1 is not a defined. That means first you define that and you can delete that particular object. Now see the program. One program here, class demo. You define a value a equal to 50. That is a class variable. Again you define one function, that is a define test cell b equal to 60. Second local variable you can define. Then print b, pass particular to the values to the object. You define object that is the name of d equal to demo. Then member function call print d dot a and d dot test. Output display as 50 and 60. Finally that is hence we have studied the class object and execute the program. Now here we will see the program, that is how to using class and object. Open your Python, whatever available in your system, that is available here, ideal Python 3.6.2 version. Then go to for file and new file. Then start your writing a program. First you need here we will define for the class, that is a class person, suppose, then colon. After that you define function, that is def underscore initialize, that is init underscore whatever you want to define, that is a my silly object. Same example we will take my silly object comma name comma age. After that same value you can call here, that is a my silly object dot name equals to name. Then again second value you call here my silly object dot age equals to age. When you call def my function abc colon print hello, my name is abc name. And finally whatever your object define, one object you will define, that is a p1 equals to person, then in bracket there is a name defined, that is John, and particular age will be defined, that is a 36. And finally p1 dot my function, that means see here we have created one class, that is name assigned that a class, that is a person. Then define initialize that particular function to using def keyword, that is we will use def initialize, that is a init. Okay, then my silly object self declaration of that particular class using keyword, that is a my silly object name comma age. In my silly object dot name equals to name, my silly object dot age equal to age. Finally def my function abc, whatever you are defining abc, that is a call here values, print hello, my name is equals to abc dot particular name. That means whatever your value is defining, you call your simply value for that particular keyword. After that, one object created, p1 equal to person John 36, and finally p1 dot my function, whatever the function defining, simply that call. Now we will run that program. Firstly, ask you to save that program. We will save that program as usual directory. It is for your desktop available Python programming. Go to that, assigning name of that experiment 8.py. Now particular error line number 7, we will check that error, that is 7, that is for print define your function ABC. After that, print of hello my functions, therefore there need to be comma, then John p1 equal to person, whatever your class defined here, John 36 p1 my functions. That means we need to define this function to here. Again run that program. Now we have display here most recent call by number 1 and module, that is a class person. And check here line number 7 John 36, that is a value, that is a here display as a class person PRSON, okay, a defining name of that particular class, then df, okay, after my CV object and df that line number 7. See here syntax, defining that particular function, that is a my person. See now here, so that particular person. Now and line number 7, 1, 2, 3, that is a defining John and 36, name of that particular person and value of particular that function. Now go to here and run again indentation error, that means expected not expected here. That means you can here again type this, again you can run. Now indentation error, that means you can also call this here and run the line number 7 p1 dot, that is your object take no parameters. That means here not taking a no parameter of your particular object. Now see the in your program, what will your program defining p1 equals to person and name. Check here what is the value you are defining, check value, that is a my function name ABC, that is a plus ABC dot name. See that program, class name TF, initialize cell comma name age of that particular function, cell name cell dot age we are defining here. After that age, then df my function cell print hello my name is, that is you are defining here print that particular function and whatever the parameter defined, that is for your ABC and ABC dot name, that means your particular name equals to ABC and name. Whatever your value defining John and 36, that means you are defining for that particular value, that is a 36. Again run that particular module and save that. We will check here again into some minor error that particular see that is a again error by number 7 display. Now init mycd object command name and age. See again that go to that program and will be defining self name age, then mycd object dot name equals to name, then age, p1 person and short. Whatever you are defining p1 person and short, that means p1 dot my func and bracket. Okay, we will run again. Again John and 36, that is a display as a error. That means you need to be defining that is a now run that particular program and run your model. Again indentation, that is a to display as a error. Now again p1 and this we will directly copy from that particular program from here and we can run, check the what is happen while showing that error. Again go to file and new, control V. Suppose this is your program, we run that program, that is for assigning name, that is for experiment 8.py with ASCII replace. Yes, it is replaced. Now okay, now your program is run. That means your finally this program, that is a defining of your class person. Then see here what is happening here, that is a simply you are defining class person df initialize cell comma name comma age colon, then cell dot name equal to name, cell dot age equal to age, define my function cell, print hello my name is plus cell dot name, and finally p1 equal to person John 36 and p1 dot my function. With again run that particular program, message will be displayed hello my name is John. Suppose we are change the name of particular, my name is SIT CUB. In this way you have type here, automatically display message my name is SIT CUB. See, hello my name is SIT CUB. Now you can practice of your program and you can run this particular program. Thank you for attending today's session.